Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns in Jamaica using an easy method. First, you'll need to identify all your income sources and gather relevant documents like pay slips or statements. Next, determine your filing status, whether you're an individual or a business. Finally, understand which specific tax forms apply to your income type to ensure a smooth process. This initial preparation is key to a successful filing. Once you've identified your income sources, it's time to collect all official income statements, such as Form IT-05 or detailed employment records. Don't forget to compile any records for allowable deductions or tax credits you might qualify for, as these can reduce your tax liability. Carefully calculate your total taxable income for the entire period to ensure accuracy before moving on. Now, you'll complete the appropriate income tax return form. Take your time to fill out every section completely and accurately, ensuring all figures are correct. It's crucial to double-check all entries to avoid any errors that could lead to penalties. Once everything is verified, submit your completed return online through the official Tax Administration Jamaica portal for a convenient and secure process. Finally, ensure you make timely payment of any taxes owed to avoid interest charges and additional fees. Always be aware of the annual filing deadline to prevent late penalties, which can add unnecessary costs. Remember, staying organized throughout the year makes this final step much simpler. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.